he is. He's running from me, but I caught him a little bit. They hide really well. There's another. And another. I put some new decorations in so they had a safe place to hide. All kinds of different fish in here. Lots of little babies. Lots of big fishies. This is my 40-gallon tank. And all my mollies and stuff are eating my bottom feeder food.